Indonesia adalah negara dengan kasus non-perokok terpapar asap rokok tertinggi di dunia.
500 orang meninggal dunia karena rokok.
Smoking is one of the biggest public health problems in the world. For years, cigarettes have been a part of social culture and are often considered a symbol of maturity, freedom, and a means of social interaction. However, various studies show that tobacco consumption is the leading cause of various chronic diseases that increase morbidity and mortality rates. Therefore, a cultural shift is needed from normalizing smoking behavior toward a culture of healthy, tobacco-free living to improve the quality of life for the community. The urgency of collapse control. Global fact: over 8 million deaths each year of caused by tobacco use. Approximately 7 million of these deaths occur among active smokers. Around 1.3 million deaths result from secondhand smoke exposure among non-smokers. Facts in Indonesia. The smoking prevalence among adolescents aged 10 to 18 years old remains quite high. Smoking is one of the primary risk factors for non-communicable disease. It poses a major challenge to public health development. Smoking as a risk factor for non-communicable disease. Smoking contributes to the increasing incidence of various non-communicable disease NCDs including coronary heart disease, stroke, hypertension, high blood pressure, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, emphysema, lung cancer. These diseases are the leading cause of death and disability in many countries.
Dangerous content in cigarettes. Number 1. Cigarette smoke contain over 7,000 chemical compounds, including 250 toxic substances, poisonous, 69 carcinogenic substances, cancer-causing. Number 2. Hazardous substances in cigarettes, nicotine, tar, carbon monoxide, benzene, formaldehyde, arsenic. Long-term exposure to this substance can cause organ damage and various chronic diseases. The impact of smoking on the respiratory system. Cigarette smoke directly damage to respiratory tract and lung tissue. Mechanism of damage. Damage to airway cilia. Destruction of the respiratory cilia. Build-up of mucus and toxic substance. Chronic inflammation. Damage to lung alveoli. Impacts COPD. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Chronic bronchitis. Emphysema. Lung cancer and decline in lung function. The impact of smoking on the cardiovascular system. Nicotine and carbon monoxide have a negative impact of the cardiovascular system. Effect of nicotine. Increases heart rate. Causes vasoconstriction, narrowing of blood vessels. Elevates blood pressure. Impact. Hypertension, coronary heart disease, heart attack, and stroke. Effect of carbon monoxide. Reduces the blood's ability to transport oxygen. Cause tissue hypoxia, oxygen deprivation in tissues.
The dangers of secondhand smoke. Secondhand smoke is the smoke of a cigarette inhaled by others around smoker. Health impact. Increases the risk of lung cancer. Increases the risk of heart disease. Causes chronic respiratory. Smoking is not only harmful to active smokers, but also those around them. Impact on children and pregnant mothers. Impact on the child. Asthma, pneumonia, respiratory tract infection, growth and developmental disorders. Impact on pregnant mothers. Low birth weight, premature birth, intrauterine growth restriction, sudden infant death syndrome. Hand smoke. Third-hand smoke is the residue of a toxic substance from cigarette smoke that remains of various surfaces after a cigarette has been extinguished. Example surface: clothing, sofa, carpet, tree, wall. Impact: survive for a long time, hard to get rid of. From carcinogenic compounds, the nurse to infant and toddler.
The environmental impact of tobacco. Tobacco production and consumption have a negative impact on the environment. Environmental impact. Number 1, deforestation due to the net for firewood in tobacco processing. Number 2, pollution of soil and water. Number 3, ecosystem damage. Number 4, the hard to decompose waste of cigarette butts. It is estimated that around 4.5 trillion cigarette butts are disastered every year worldwide. Building a tobacco-free culture. Cultural transformation is needed to change the public's perception of cigarettes. Strategies that can be done. Number 1, reduce the normalization of smoking behavior. Number 2, improving health education early age. Number 3, creating a smoke-free environment. Number 4, support individual to quit smoking. Number 5, involving families, school, and the community. A tobacco-free culture is a long-term investment in the health of future generations.
Smoking is a serious threat to health, economy, and environment. The impacts of smoking are not only felt by active smokers, but also by passive smokers or secondhand smoke and individuals exposed to third-hand smoke. Therefore, synergy is required between the government, healthcare professionals, and the community to shift the smoking culture toward a tobacco-free culture. By building a smoke-free culture, the community's quality of life can be improved and the burden of disease can be reduced. Let's build a tobacco-free culture. Our health, our economy, and the future of our generation are in our own hands. Changing habits is not easy, but with real steps and collaboration, we can create a healthier environment.